Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Relations and Function Exercise 2.2 first sum. Here the question is, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A. So your relation here R is from A to A by R equal to x comma y. So they have given the relation to be x comma y, and also in the equation 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x and y belongs to A. Here x and y belongs to this number. So we can't write the number other than this. So write down its domain, codomain and range. This will be your x will be your domain. Always in the relation the first element will be your domain, the second element will be your range. The codomain will be the element of A. So the codomain will be your elements of A, domain, codomain, this will be your range. For that we need to find y, substitute the value of this number, value of A to x, and we will find y. From the equation we know that 3x minus y is equal to 0. That means 3x is equal to y. When y goes to this side, it becomes plus y. So substitute the value of x when x is equal to 1. When x becomes 1, y will be equal to 3. That is, when I substitute x as 1, I get y to be 3. When I substitute x to be 2, I get y as 6. So 2, 6, x, y. You should be very careful when writing x element first and then the y element. Now I am substituting 3, I get 9. So 3, 9. When I substitute 4, I get 12. So 4, 12. When I substitute 5, I get my y to be 15, which exceeds the element of A, which is not in the element of A. So I can't substitute 5 to find y because y belongs to A. So the element should be in the set A. It is, as 15 is not here, I can't substitute 5. So my relation R will be x comma y, right? This is your x comma y. I am writing in a flower bracket as I said. So 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. That's all with the elements, because I can't substitute 5 and more number other than that. My domain will be my domain. First I am writing my domain. Domain, as I told before, the first elements will be your domain. The first elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain will be the elements of A. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. The range will be the elements in the second part. That is 3, 6, 9, 12. This will be your range. So your domain will be the first element, your range will be the second element, and the codomain will be your A. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.